Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a lip swatch video. I have all the Colourpop Disney Designer Collection. So it's Snow White, Ariel, Tiana, Belle, Cinderella and Jasmine. So I've got all the lipstick shades and I have the 3 lip glosses, which are bibbidi bobbidi boo. So I thought I'd do a lip swatch video today and show you the colours, and yeah, so let's jump right into it. I am going to do the lip glosses first just because I'm not sure if I want to keep the lipsticks on, but I never wear gloss on its own. So let's open these. I love the packaging for this new collection. I think it's stunning, hence why I got so much of it. I am wearing the eyeshadows and the Super Shock shadows from the collection on my eyes today. So these are the lip glosses. You have a peachy pink, a pink and a gold shimmer. The gold shimmer I'm really looking forward to. This pink one's called Boo. Oh, she pretty. Let me just zoom you in. She is pretty. Straight away, she's not sticky. Is she like she's a sentient being? It's not sticky. It is kind of thick, but not sticky. I really like that. So the next shade that I'm going to go in with is Bobbidi, which is the more peachy pink shade. Again, it's not sure, it's just yeah, it's more peachy. That's a beautiful shade as well. So that's Bobbidi, which is lovely. Really nice colour that. So the final gloss is Bibbidi, and this is a clear with gold sparkles. I'm not sure how much it'll show, so we shall see. Now gnarly, this kind of shade, ooh, it's lovely. It's more of a topper. I'd very rarely go out with this just on its own, because if I was going to go on with someone, if I was going to go out with such a like shimmery shade, I'd probably just wear lip balm, to be honest, because you'll get the same effect of like glossy lips, I think. That is lovely. You can see a slight bit of shimmer. But that's a really nice top coat. I like that. So now to the lipsticks. Now we've done the glosses. So let me just get them all out. First off, the packaging is really cute. It's obviously each lipstick represents a Disney princess, so it's the same as what's on the palette. And I just think the design of it is really cute. It's like princesses do Vogue. That's the vibe that I'm getting. It's the typical Colourpop packaging, only they've not done it as shiny, so it's the same shape, it's the same way of opening it, but it's more of a muted gold, and it's got the signatures of all the princesses all around it. I'm going to start off with Cinderella, which is this gorgeous pink shade. I've done a lip swatch video of the Colourpop lippies that I've got in my collection at the moment, and I really do like them, so I do expect to like these ones as well. I just wanted to show you what the colours were like in the designer collection. So let's do this. Ooh, straight off it's brighter than I thought it was going to be. That is Cinderella. Is she pretty? So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Ariel. This is a nude. I'm actually surprised though. I thought Ariel would be more of a red, but I should have gone in with this one first. It's like a peachy nude. So that is Ariel. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Belle, and this is like a mauvey pinky brown. It's very nice. And we're just gonna, ooh, she nice, it's more mauve. She pretty. The next shade is Jasmine, and Jasmine is a fuchsia pink. She is bright. So this is Jasmine. Next shade is Snow White, which is a deep red. I love this shade. So this is Snow White. Finally, the last shade is Tiana, which is this deepened plum shade. I got it only two. That's Tiana. I think she's pretty. So guys, that's all 6 shades of the lipsticks and all 3 shades of the glosses. I hope this was helpful. I really like these, I like the shades. I already liked the Colourpop lippies anyway. I'd say the only one that I'm not like overly fond of is Ariel, just because I don't really do peachy nudes. But other than that, I think these are really lovely colours. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!